Hi, my name is Professor Tonya Evans. I'm a full tenured professor at Penn State Dickinson Law School. I'm also the founder and CEO of Advantage Evans Academy. And I'm the host of a weekly podcast, Tech Intersect, that focuses on the intersection of tech, business, and law. And today I'm going to be presenting on copyright law because I get so many questions about the literary and artistic aspects and how they are protected. Copyright is a federal law that gives the owner of a literary or artistic work that is expressed in what we call a tangible form, a way to have exclusive rights and control. Copyright is actually a bundle of rights. It's the right to copy the work. It's the right to distribute copies of those works. It's the right to prepare derivatives or adapt the original work into some new form. But one of the most commonly asked questions focuses on what rights a creator has and what rights that creator, once they mint a work, what rights are they passing on, certainly to the platform, and then ultimately to the buyer who is purchasing the non-fungible token connected to their art. The rights that you have, and let's take an actual example, you have a token that represents your digital art, we'll call it crypto art. You keep and hold your copyright. That holds true unless you actually specifically transfer those rights either to the minting platform or to a purchaser. You retain those rights.